Hello friends, welcome to my channel All in One Studio. In this video, I will tell you how to make your own animated text. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download an app, animated text. I will open the app. I have opened the app. It will be open in some time. It is loading. Hello. Let's get started. You have to write here what you want to write. I will write my channel name All in One Studio. Okay, let's go. Now click on that button, play button. It will be take some time for loading. Okay, it has started. As you can see, animation. I can change the background color here. There are many different types of colors, and there are different styles of text such as that point blank, and my favorite is joy. This is my favorite that you can see. And now click on delete button and save this video, and now it will be saved. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please watch all videos till end, like the all videos.